Student of class 2, today I am going to teach you English language, and your second chapter is naming words noun. Okay, in your previous class you have already learned about the noun. We will more discuss about the noun in this chapter. In this class also, all the things in the world are known as with their name. All the things in the world is known as with their name. For example, this is marker, this is pencil, this is duster, this is blackboard, this is book, and many more things. A word that names a person, place, or a thing is called a naming word. A naming word is also called noun. Naming word is also called noun. And what is noun? Noun is a name of any person, like your friend, your mother, your brother, your sister, any place like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Lucknow, Agra, Kanpur, these are the place name. And things like table, chair, blackboard, tiffin, bag, lunch box, these are the things. And everything, place, person has their name. For example, Rahul is a good boy. Here is the noun is Rahul. What is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing is called noun. And for example, Rahul is a good boy. Here Rahul is the name of a person. Rahul is a good boy. In this sentence we are talking about Rahul, and Rahul is good boy. And second example, the flower is beautiful. In this sentence we are talking about flowers. The flower is beautiful. How is flower? Flower is beautiful. In this sentence, the noun is, the naming word is flower. Okay. In the above sentence, the highlighted word are the noun, as they are the name of person or a thing. This is person and this is thing. All naming words are called noun. All naming words are called nouns. Some more naming words are, for example, some vegetables name. All vegetable has their name. Okay. Which vegetable do you like most? I think most of the students like potato. Okay. Now some more naming words. Some more naming words. First we will talk about some vegetable names. Okay. Vegetables. Do you know the name of any vegetable? Of course you know carrot, Do you like carrot? Carrot, brinjal. And tomato, red tomato. And your favorite potato. And cabbage. These are the name of vegetable, and these are also naming word. Onion, capsicum, cucumber, these are the vegetable name, and these are also the name of naming word. And some animal name, these are also naming word. Animal, cat, dog, lion, horse, elephant, these are the name of particular animal. And the naming word, the place name also, hospital, mosque, zoo, airport, bank, church, temple, garden, these are the name of places. And some name of things also, bed, tub, shoes, plate, glass, lamp, watch, jeep. These are the naming word of things. Some person's name, for example, soldiers, children, doctor, painter, mother, teacher, gardener. These are the name of persons. Naming words of fruits, apple, mango, banana, grapes, coconut, orange, watermelon. These are the name of fruits. And some birds names, parrot, vulture, cock, pigeon, owl, eagle, sparrow, peacock. These are the name of birds. And these are some naming words because they have their names. And turn your page number 10, kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. But in this lesson, in your syllabus, we will talk about only 2 main kinds of noun. What is the 2 main kind of noun? Is the common noun and proper noun. And what is common noun and proper noun? 2 kind of noun. We will discuss about only 2 kind of noun, but there are 5 kind of nouns. Okay. In your chapter only 2 kind of noun are there. 2 main kind of noun are common noun. First we will talk about common noun. And second one is proper noun. What is common noun? When the names given in common to person, animal, place or thing of some kind, these are called common noun. For example, we are talking about a boy. We are not talking about any particular boy. Okay, we are talking about any boy. We are not saying any name. We are talking about boy, girl, teacher, doctor. These are common nouns. Common nouns do not begin with capital letters. If we are talking about boy, any boy, girl, doctor, we are not talking about any particular doctor here. Doctor and teacher. These are common noun. And common noun always start with small letter. Okay, if we are talking about any particular boy, if we said that Rahul, Radha, Rahul, if we are talking about any girl, Radha, we will write Rahul and Radha with capital letter. Now, proper noun. What is proper noun? When we talk about a particular name of a person, animal or thing is called proper noun. For example, Rahul, place name Delhi, see here this is capital letter, this is capital letter. India Gate, and Ganga is now Samsung. The above word are the examples of proper noun. Proper noun begin with capital letter, but common noun is written with small letter. Now see the exercise. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. We respect our teacher. Here teacher is a common noun because we are not discuss about any particular teacher. Only teacher is written here. That's why here is common noun and we will underline the teacher in this sentence. Next is her father is a teacher. Same again. Here father and teacher is a common noun. And Sarah is my sister. Here Sarah is a girl and this is proper noun. We are talking about Sarah. Sarah is a particular girl which we are talking about this girl. This is a common proper noun. And he lost his bicycle. Here bicycle is a thing and this is common noun. And he is a doctor. Doctor is a common noun. I love my India. India is a proper noun because we are talking about India, our country India. It's a name. His mother is a doctor. Here mother is common noun, doctor is also common noun. Rohit is my classmate. Rohit is a proper noun because we are talking about a boy which is Rohit. And this is my book. Here book. We are talking about book. We are not pointed that this book, maths book, English book. We are only talking about a book. That's why this is common noun. I am eating a mango. Mango is a particular name of a fruit. That's why it is a proper noun. Okay, if we are talking about any particular thing like fruits name, apple, mango, banana, these are the proper noun. If we are talking about simple fruit, I love fruits. If we say that I love fruits, that means fruit is a common noun. We love all fruits. But if I say that I love mango, that here the mango is a common proper noun because we are talking about a particular fruit. If I say that Rashmi is my best friend, and here the Rashmi is a particular name of a girl, that's why Rashmi is a proper noun. If I say that the girl is talking in the classroom, if I am saying that the girl, it means any girl. Okay, this is common noun. We are not pointed that this girl is very naughty and that girl is very naughty. We are only talking about the girl is making a noise. That means all girls are making a noise, and that is common noun. Now you understand the common and proper noun, and remember this common noun begin with small letter and proper noun begin with capital letter. Okay, proper noun has some particular name and common noun is only the name boy, girl, doctor. Okay. Now read this chapter and purchase the book also. And take care, be safe, goodbye.